Alright, so we finally made it to Thursday night, and I'm going to do question number 13, and you're going to do the rest on your own. We're down to sequences now. It says, what rule can be used to find the value of the nth term in the sequence below, where n represents the position of the term? So, remember, let's write O, B, E. Remember, this is the original term or the zero term. Original pattern for the first piece, and then position for the second piece. Your position is always going to be your variable, okay? So here, I'm going to put n underneath position. Then, pattern, when you look at the pattern, you're going to look at what's happening with your values of terms or in your y, your output section. So, to jump from 1 to 1.5, I know I'm adding a half. To jump from 1.5 to 2, I know I'm adding another half. 2 to 2.5, I know I'm adding another half. So my pattern, so underneath pattern, let's write 1/2. Okay, now I need to go back and find my zero term, which is my original term. It's not given to me on the table, so I can make one up top. So I know that I need to keep, in order to find the zero term, I need to keep the pattern consistent. So I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to ask myself, what plus 1/2 is going to give me 1? Or I can think of working backwards. I could say 1 minus a half if I'm working this way. What is 1 minus a half? And I know that it is a half. I could say 1/2 plus a half is 1, or I could work backwards and say 1 minus a half. It still gives me 1/2. So my original term is 1/2. Now, you can write this as your rule. You can put it as 1/2 plus 1/2 n. Okay? But the way you may typically see it is basically everything on top, we could say is 1 plus n. And then I can see that I have a same denominator of 2. So either rule will work, okay? All right, go ahead and try 14, 15, and 16 on your own tonight. See you in class tomorrow.